Today, we're talking about shopping safely online. Are you worried you might get scammed when shopping online? Do you know some of the tricks that people try to use to deceive you when shopping online? How can you protect yourself against rogue retailers? Let's continue our month focusing on the holidays. Does your clutter own you? On Clear Your Clutter Inside and Out, we'll teach you how to become aware of your clutter along with action steps to declutter and create the life you desire. Come on, let's get started. Today's episode is inspired by all those dang phishing emails I get. You have a FedEx package, UPS package, and also hearing about disappointed kids because their parents were taken advantage of and they didn't get the gifts that they were hoping to receive. First, use familiar websites. Start at a trusted site rather than shopping with a search engine. Search results can be rigged to lead you astray, especially when you drift past the first few pages of links. If you know the site, chances are it's less likely to be a ripoff. We all know Amazon.com. Just about every major retail outlet has an online store. Target, Best Buy, Lowe's. Beware of misspellings or sites using a different top-level domain. .net instead of .com, for instance. The sales on these sites might look enticing, and that's how they trick you into giving up your information. Look for the SSL. Never, ever buy anything online using your credit card from a site that doesn't have an SSL, which stands for Secure Sockets Layer, encryption installed, at the very least. You'll know the site has an SSL because the URL for the site will start with https:// instead of just HTTP. An icon of a locked padlock will appear, typically in the status bar at the bottom of your web browser or right next to the URL in the address bar. It depends on your browser. I want to add a note here. I don't have an SSL on my site, but that's because I use PayPal for everything and they are secure. Well, as secure as anyone can be. If I were to do my own shopping cart and set it up that way, I would definitely have an SSL. I just don't want you to not buy from a small business if you see they use a third party like PayPal where you should be safe. Nothing is ever 100% safe or guaranteed. These tips are to make you more aware and hopefully keep you safe. Never, ever, never, ever, never, ever give anyone your credit card over email. Just don't do it. Gift cards are the most requested holiday gift every year. Stick to the source when you buy one. Scammers like to auction off gift cards on sites like eBay with little or no funds on them. Use strong passwords. You should be already using strong passwords. If you aren't, it's really important when banking and shopping online. 1234, pass, not a strong password. If it's the name of your relatives, your kids, your pet, favorite team, city of your birth, not a strong password. Birthday, anniversary, date of graduation, even your car license plate number is not a strong password. The car license plate number surprised me, but apparently these tricksters have programs that mine information really quickly to find all that out and then have a system that can test a bunch of different passwords till they crack it. You could spell a word backwards. Example, Raleigh would be Hgielar instead of spelling it the correct way. Randomly throw in some capital letters. Don't forget the special character. Feel stuck but have no clue what you need to do to move forward? Would you like to feel energized and excited every day? Are you ready to create the life you desire? Julie Coraccio supports you in finding the answers within and then taking action to make changes happen. Visit reawakenyourbrilliance.com to learn how Julie can support you with life coaching. If you go to https://identitysafe.norton.com/password-generator/ they can generate a safe password for you. Do you want to see if what you have now is secure? Go to https://howsecureismypassword.net to test. Avoid public terminals. It's a bad idea to use a public computer to make purchases. If you do, remember to log out every time you use one, even if you're just checking email. What about using your own laptop to shop when you're out and about? When you must enter your credit card information while sitting in a public cafe, you're giving an over-the-shoulder criminal plenty of time to see the goods. Sit in the back and face the door. Mobile malware. Malware targeted at mobile devices is on the rise, and Android smartphones are at most risk. New malware has recently been found that targets QR codes, a digital barcode that consumers might scan with their smartphone to find good deals on Black Friday or Cyber Monday, or just to learn about products. Malicious mobile applications are mobile apps designed to steal information from smartphones or send out expensive text messages without a user's consent. Dangerous apps are usually offered for free and masquerade as fun applications, such as games. For example, 4.6 million Android smartphone users downloaded a suspicious wallpaper app that collected and transmitted user data to a site in China. Phony Facebook promotion and contest. Who doesn't want to win free prizes or get a great deal? Unfortunately, cyber scammers know that these are attractive lures, and they've sprinkled Facebook with phony promotions and contests aimed at gathering personal information. One scam advertised 2 free airline tickets, but required participants to fill out multiple surveys requesting personal information. Finally, know what's too good to be true. I believe most of us really do know when something is too good to be true. We just choose to ignore that little voice telling us, "No, danger, Will Roger, danger." Really pay attention. Be aware. If you think it's too good to be true, it probably is. Not sure? Ask a trusted friend. Take actions from today's podcast. Make sure your passwords are strong. Use sites with SSLs and make sure the sites are trusted. Avoid public terminals. Skip all the Facebook contests. Only use mobile apps from trusted sites such as Amazon. Know what's too good to be true. Go out, clear the clutter to create the life you choose, deserve, and desire.